how to earn money with Ethereum meme coins. Hello and welcome to our channel, Crypto Daily News Vlog. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money with Ethereum meme coins. But before that, if you don't know what is meme coins, it is a cryptocurrency that are often begin as a jokes or parodies but can gain significant value based on community engagement and market trends. But at this point, I'm just going to focus on these Ethereum meme coins. We have here this Turbo, Pepe, and also Brett. But before we start investing on any of these kind of meme coins, we firstly need to do our own research, and we can use some other platform to gain insight and strategies using this platform called Reddit, in which it serves as a vibrant platform for discussion and insights about meme coins, particularly among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. And from here, you can start searching the Turbo meme coins in here, and it will show you the overview about this kind of meme coins and some other insight and discussion about this kind of Ethereum blockchain meme coins. Wherein from here you can start navigating these turbo price predictions. However, to track the certain performance of these meme coins, we can use this platform called coinmarketcap.com, in which it is a valuable resource for investors looking to earn money with meme coins. And from here, to start tracking the performance of a specific meme coins of this turbo, just go to the search bar in here on the top right corner and search for turbo in here. And as you can see, I've already searched this, so kind of click this one, Turbo. And from here, you will be able to see here the overview, including the current market price, the community sentiment on the top right corner, in which people expecting this to bullish or for the market price in here to still rise. So as you can see, this is the current price in here, in which it used to be at this point, and now it is being bullish to this point in here. And if you want to start purchasing or buying this kind of meme coins, you can start waiting for the price drops and hold this kind of meme coins for several days or weeks, and you can start selling it at a profit when the price increases, which is a common strategy. And below, if you scroll down right here, it will show you the market price or the market conversion exchange, the news, and even the overview about this specific kind of meme coins in here. You'll also navigate here this allocation number and other analytics insights that will help you for your purchasing decision. While on the right side panel, it will show you the top or the latest news or the comments from the community that will help you to either buy or sell these turbo meme coins. So basically, you can start joining to this kind of community on Reddit and also in different kind of community online that you can find that will help you to gain more knowledge in any other kind of investment strategies. And now to start tracking the performance of it, we can click the star option in here or button to start adding it to our watch list. However, it is suggested to not only focus on a specific kind of meme coins, but use a diversification or diversify your investment across various meme coins to mitigate the risk. And for the exchange listing, you can purchase these turbo meme coins to this kind of application or website such as Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, and many more. Now moving on, we can now proceed by navigating these meme coins called Pepe, in which it is also trending on different kind of platforms such as this Reddit, and it will show you in here some of the prediction for its prices for this year 2025. So again, from here you can start scrolling down and look or read for this community insight, investment strategies, or even personal experience of those users. But to track the performance real time, you can use this platform CoinMarketCap again and go to the search bar and click or search Pepe. And again, from here, it will show you the overview performance, including the market cap value, the community sentiment in here, in which it has 88% bullish rate, since the price of it used to be in here or this point, and now as you can see, it is so currently at this point in here. So it actually being bullish, or the price of it rise. And now it will show you in here on the left side panel some of the option and details, including the amount of Pepe to USD converter, or the value of each Pepe unit, the price performance, and many more. And again, if you want to purchase or buy this kind of Ethereum meme coins, you can use some of the exchange listings. But before that, make sure that to purchase a meme coins during the price drops and hold them for several days or weeks. Then you can start selling them at a profit when the price increases, which is a common strategy. And now from here, it will show you the overview about these meme coins or everything to know about it. So again, from here, to start purchasing or investing to this kind of meme coins, Pepe, you can use this community of Reddit to determine the prediction of prices and also this platform coinmarketcap.com to track the real-time progress of performance. And by start adding it to our watch list in here, it will show you in here that you can start tracking it on your watch list pages. And once again, some of the exchange listing that you can use in here, including this Coinbase, Finance, Crypto.com, Mexi, Bitkit, and OKX. Now aside from that, you could also invest to this Brett. And as you can see, if you go to Reddit, it is also a popular meme coins. And from here, if you scroll down, it will show you some of the insight of the user and their strategies in investing to this kind of meme coin spread. However, many users stress the importance of conducting thorough research or do your own research before investing in any meme coins. And now to track the progress in here, we can start searching it under this CoinMarketCap, in which by clicking this one, BREP ETH, it will show us in here the performance. And as you can see, it has a community sentiment of 93% being bullish. So basically, people are expecting this to rise, or for the asset price of it to increase. So basically, it used to be at this point, or the price of it, which is 0.11. And now as you can see, the current price of it is now 0.13. And now on the left side panel, it will show you some other details, including the USD converter of it, the price performance, and other data. So again, from here, if you want to start investing on this meme coin, you can start purchasing it on your different kind of exchange listings. Or alternatively, you can start waiting it for the price to drop. And after purchasing, just proceed by simply holding it for several days or weeks. Then you can start selling it at a profit when the price increases, which is a common strategy. And again, here are some of the common exchange listing that you can also navigate and access to start investing to BRET meme coins. So basically, as you can see in here, we can start joining to the other community online, such as on Reddit, which is an essential resource for those interested in meme coins. And also navigate this platform CoinMarketCap to add to the watch list our chosen meme coins in here and start tracking the performance of it in real time. So basically, by combining the strategies, you can navigate the world of meme coins more effectively, leveraging insights from Reddit and tools like CoinMarketCap to make informed decisions. But again, it is noted to only invest what you can afford to lose, as the volatility of meme coins means that significant losses are possible. So overall, that is just basically how you can earn money with Ethereum meme coins. Thank you.